For the course, Introduction to TCP/IP, now we're going to go into the Wireshark Internet project. We'll start off with how to install Wireshark. Now, first go to the website wireshark.org/download and then download the Wireshark install file according to your operating system. And as you can see here, these are the options that are provided. Next, double-click Download File to start the installation process and click the Next button down there. Click the I agree button to accept the license agreement to use Wireshark. And then choose the components to install and click the Next button down there. Now, which components? Well, as you can see over here, I recommend select all of the components. Next, select options to create shortcuts for Wireshark and select the file extensions you want to connect to Wireshark and click the Next button down there. Now, choose the installation location, which is the destination folder location on your computer for Wireshark and click the Next button down there. Select the Install WinPCAP option to capture live network packet data and click the Next button. Now here, WinPCAP stands for Windows Packet Capturing. The next step is to wait until the installation is completed and then click the Next button as you see down there. Now you need to reboot your computer to complete the installation process. And that is what you see down there. Now you're ready to go, and we'll start the experiment on the next lecture.